Rock Creek was really nice, and riding some of the back roads was a whole lot of fun. I'll get those videos up shortly. Right now we're going to ride the 33 to Kelowna, and then from Kelowna to the connector, Hope, and home. Hope you enjoy this short ride and short video.
Well, we made it into Merritt. Looks like I have about 12 kilometers left, so that wasn't bad coming off the Coquihalla.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you would like to leave any comments or have suggestions on places to ride, and we can add those into our routes. I'll get the editing up soon of the drone footage once I can get it from Jonathan's camera, and I'll get those posted very soon. Meanwhile, enjoy the sunshine and safe riding out there.